Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a really fun rosé conditioning hair foam. So this project was inspired by some naturalish hair products that I saw for sale in Ulta on one of my trips to the United States. I saw several products on their hair care shelves that were in foamer bottles, and I was quite intrigued. They were typically marketed as a hair mousse, and when I flipped the bottle over and took a look at the ingredients, it was mostly water with some great for hair things, botanical extracts and proteins and whatnot, and then a small amount of usually non-ionic or amphoteric surfactants to give it a bit of foam so that when you pump the foamer bottle, the product dispenses in a foam format. I really liked the idea and I couldn't wait to riff on it. So the product that we're making today has both conditioning goodness, thanks to the inclusion of some Polyquaternium 7, and some wonderful volumizing goodness from the hydrolyzed rice protein. You can treat this product a lot like a leave-in hair conditioner. Dispense a small amount of the foam into your palm, kind of just do this, and then you can work it through your hair, and it works really nicely with your hair, either damp or dry. I'm really enjoying this, not only for the conditioning goodness and the fabulous scent, courtesy of some rose hydrosol, some green cognac essential oil, and a lemon slices fragrance oil, but I also love the really novel, foamy, bubbly format, and I hope you will too. There's no heat required to make this, so you just kind of measure everything and stir it, and we are off to the races. So come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by combining our essential oil and our fragrance oil with our solubilizer. So we are going to need 1.2 grams of Polysorbate 20, and to that we're going to add 0.2 grams of cognac essential oil and 0.09 grams of lemon slices fragrance oil, or you could use lemon essential oil instead. With that done, we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to need 0.6 grams of Caprylyl and Capryl glucoside, 1.2 grams Polyquaternium 7, 2.4 grams hydrolyzed rice protein, 0.6 grams panthenol or vitamin B5, 2.4 grams sodium lactate, and 0.3 grams liquid germall plus. As you can see, this is quite viscous and a little kind of slimy and boogery. That'll go away once we add the water, but I am doing all of our more vigorous stirring now. Well, there's not a bunch of water in here because as soon as we get the water in there, it will definitely really lather up as we agitate it, and so now's kind of our time to really mess this around and not get a ton of bubbles. And now it's time for our water part. So we're going to start with 18 grams of rose hydrosol, and this one is from Plants Power. So with that water content, we are going to stir much more gently now. And last but not least, 33 grams of distilled water. To package this, we're going to put it in a 50 milliliter foamer bottle. I got this one from Windy Point here in Calgary. And there we go. So you just made some gorgeous rosé conditioning hair foam. So using the pump top, you can dispense a bit into your palm, work it around, and then spread it through your hair for some smoothing, conditioning hair goodness. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you're checking out the description box below this video and clicking through to find this formulation on my blog as well. There's a partner post with a lot more information about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, links to places to purchase all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.